Buzz TV Chat video.
Training from like 8 hours for like 2 to 10 because of it every day now until next week. There's that. Be it. Assuming I wasn't gonna go, I spent like $50 on Train Sim 4. But that was because the game was on pre-order, and if you had Train Sim 3, which I did, you get like a fucking 25% discount. You get early access too if you get the deluxe or special version, so I got the deluxe one just to deal with it. Then next thing you know, my friend, who I did not ask for, slips me $20 so I can actually go. I switch the 18 to buy my ticket. My account's in the negative. Jacob comes by, just swings me $10. I'm here, and now I have the Apple Cash so I can get back to New York.
So he gave you money to get back.
Jacob just gave me money to get back. My other friend apparently, she likes me though, so she just gave me $20. I didn't ask. So now I have 20 in Apple Cash. I can just pay to get back to New York. If I took that money out, I would have been able to come here, but I can't. I wouldn't be able to go back. So there's that. At least I can go back.
Oh, it is.
Sadly, the thing is, there's no other way to get back.
But they said no, it's not.
I want to.
Let me get him up. The MC9 has
The MC9?
No. That's an MC9. That's I know. It looks similar, bro. That shit. Yeah.
Don't look like a Spanish though.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching Buzz TV Chan.
A Christian Ruley company.